This is why we live on Earth and not on another planet. So, in order for a planet to be considered habitable for humans, it needs liquid water, oxygen, carbon dioxide, an atmosphere, protection from solar wind, sunlight, protection from the sun's rays, and good soil for planting. First, liquid water. Earth is the only known planet with liquid water. There are some planets that have frozen water on them. Mars has frozen water, and there's one of Saturn's moons that has frozen water on it. Oxygen. Earth has oxygen because we have of our atmosphere. It's able to hold the oxygen created by our plants in instead of it just floating off into space. Like carbon dioxide. Earth has carbon dioxide because of our atmosphere. It's used to help keep the Earth warm enough for us to be able to live here, and it holds the sun's energy, thus heating up the Earth, which can also cause problems when there's too much carbon dioxide, that's global warming. uh, Atmosphere. The atmosphere is determined by the mass and temperature of the planet it surrounds. The mass gives a gravitational pull on the gas molecules that make up the atmosphere, and the temperature gives the molecules a higher velocity. Um, Only the Earth's atmosphere contains the gases that we need to survive, the carbon dioxide and the oxygen, amongst a few other ones. Um, Next is protection from solar winds. We gain protection from the solar winds because of our magnetic poles. They make the winds go around the Earth instead of directly hitting the Earth and destroying our atmosphere or the planet. The sunlight. We are the perfect distance away from the sun, but still close enough so it doesn't get too cold because we're too far, but it's not too hot because we're too close, which is also helped out by our atmosphere holding the temperatures. Um, we also need protection from the sun's rays because they can be harmful to us. Our atmosphere has different layers that absorb some of the sun's rays so that way when they actually hit the earth, then they're not as powerful. And then finally, our soil. The soil on Earth is made from our cycle, which is only present on Earth, from the different rocks forming and making the sediment that makes our soils so good to grow plants in.